Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we are having our cricket match from office, and I am again at Kavya's house. We are going to Ira International School, and yeah,
Northern Trust Cricket 2026.
yes. One thing, we are very late. We woke up but still we are going. Showing up was showing up is important. So we are still going to the college to play match. Guys, we are all changed. This is one other team member, the alien enemy of our team. We are all deadly dominators. She's RCB. This is the ground. How are you feeling about the match? Some insight, please. Guys, how are you feeling? Everybody.
I already drank 2 juices.
And she's giving juice to everybody.
Also here.
Yeah, Pooja, how are you feeling? First match? Snacks? It's more like a picnic. To watch, you're not playing?
Yeah, no,
Oh
I'm
God.
not playing.
What is this, guys? It started raining. So how are you feeling? You're very late to the match still.
They're going home now.
Oh my God.
कौन है ये लोग?
Guys, we are done with our girls inning and we scored a total of 11 points. It was me, Kavya and Sandra. And then here we have Sunita. Hi. And Tianj. Put a hi. Hi. Good bowling, Suman. Guys, you guys lost in the first match.
Exactly.
How are you feeling? Hey, canopy. How are you? Somebody lost in the first match. So how are you guys feeling? We won the first match. Yeah. So prepping for the second match.
What do you say?
Our latecomer and bowler. Yeah, bowler for the match. Oh my God. Anand.
Yeah, it is good.
What do you feel about the win? Yeah, catcher of the match. What do you want to say? To them?
Please subscribe. So, we were called the underdogs of the team.
Yeah.
This is the underdog story.
Nice.
This is better than winning the actual cup.
Yeah. Sorry. Just because they lost, they're gone mad. Can't help it.
They lost against us only.
Yeah, they lost against us.
बात तो सही है.
What do you feel after? Yeah.
I felt I should have given you lotion tablets with you. How was the wicket?
Freshman break, guys. Uncle ಅಂತಿದ್ದು. Uncle ಅವನು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅವ್ರು
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ರಾಜು ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ
ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ ನೋಡಿರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ರೆ
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸುನೀತಾ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
the second round of the match. Done with our second match for girls. I think bye. And then the boys are matching now. People are sitting here. And they won the second match amongst these two.
These two?
These two. How are you feeling, guys? We lost the second match.
It's okay. Finals is ours. Trophy is ours.
Yeah. Yes.
Trust me.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. या हंस.
Yeah, we're going for lunch. Post lunch. Post lunch, we will resume the match. Okay, guys, lunch time. The food. How was the food? How was the food, Kavya? Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Sunita, how's the food? Good. How's the food? How's the food, guys? Hey, give ya.
Second up.
We are applying sunscreen. Making sure. Reapplication.
Protecting my skin.
Yeah.
Not married it, so I have to keep it until I find a guy.
Yeah. People are having food and relaxing now. Started raining. What is this, Trishna? It's raining. ಏ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈಗ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ಗೆ. The match is at a pause. It's raining currently and the match is at halt. Is it raining, Piyansh?
Yeah.
Is it pouring very heavily and we all are at a halt? We are resuming the match. Hopefully, but no luck, guys. Again, it started raining. Might be, and people are coming back. Guys, penguin walk.
They're doing mestri work.
Oh my God, Usman. As a captain, he's working.
ಏ ಮೇಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ.
My God, they're fixing the pitch.
ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಶವಂತ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಉದುರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು.
Fixing the pitch, guys.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ ನಿಜ.
Practice sessions here. People are fighting over here. Don't know for what. Okay, I think there is some, because the rain is not stopping, so there is some declaration that we are supposed to make. We'll see what the conclusion is.
Marat, ಇಲ್ಲಿ TV9 cameraman Suman jate. Cameraman Usman.
Kalda. No, I'm just recording.
ಆದಿವಾಸಿ ಹೇರೋ.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, guys.
ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
Feeling?
So due to
weather conditions,
Yeah.
due to extreme weather conditions,
we have decided to postpone this to
Mad. Yeah.
but
indefinitely.
and we are unofficially winners of this.
Oh my God.
Hey, ನೀನ್ ನಿಜಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ
Hey, Muni.
They are unofficially won the tournament, but officially RCB won the tournament. Okay, that's it.
Celebration karyakramas. People are distributing food.
ಬನಾನಾ ಕೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ತಗೊಂಡೋದವ್ರು ಯಾರು ತರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡುವ.
ನೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಯಮ್ಮ
Baji. Bye. Bye. Okay guys, so that was all for today's vlog, and it was a fun day with everybody, and now we are heading home. So subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and then comment down below what you felt about the vlog.